In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfold one level at MindNode. If you've ever wanted to reveal just the next set of ideas without opening your entire mind map, this is exactly what you need. Unfolding one level shows only the immediate children of a parent node, keeping deeper sub-branches neatly tucked away. It's perfect for presenting, brainstorming live, or simply staying focused as you work. First, let's do this on a Mac. Start by clicking the parent node, the one whose child nodes you want to reveal. This selection matters because MindNode will only act on the node you've highlighted. Once it's selected, go to the top menu and choose View, then Unfold, and then One Level. You'll see only the next layer of child nodes appear, while any deeper branches remain folded. This keeps your canvas clean and prevents information overload. If you prefer a faster way on Mac, there's a handy keyboard shortcut. Again, make sure the parent node is selected. Then press Command plus the right arrow key. That's it, one quick keystroke to unfold just one level. If nothing seems to happen, double check that a node is actually selected and not just the background. Also, ensure you're using the standard right arrow key, not a navigation key on an external device that might be remapped. Now let's switch to iPad or iPhone. Tap the parent node to select it. You'll want to use the More menu, the three dots icon, to access the unfolding options. From there, choose Unfold, then One Level. Immediately, the children of that node expand, while deeper sub-branches stay hidden. If you don't see the option, make sure the node is selected and you're opening the More menu associated with your map view. This works well whether you're tapping with a finger or using an Apple Pencil. A quick tip across all devices. This action is intentionally incremental. You're revealing just one layer at a time to keep your map manageable. If you want to go deeper, simply repeat the same action on the newly revealed child node to open the next level down. This progressive reveal is great for storytelling and guiding a team through complex ideas without overwhelming them. And that's all there is to it. On Mac, select the parent node and use the View menu or the Command plus right arrow shortcut. On iPad or iPhone, select the parent node, open the More menu, and choose Unfold One Level. With this approach, you'll stay organized, present clearly, and maintain control over exactly how much detail you reveal at any moment.